It takes many good deeds to build a good reputation, and only one bad one to lose it. Benjamin Franklin. Fact: 70% of web surfers will click on a negative search result when searching for a company website. Do you want to protect your brand and reputation that you have built over the years? Due to the social media boom, it's now easy for anyone to propagate negative content. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can harm your reputation through social media sites, review websites, and blogs. Google now ranks many consumer review websites, social media platforms, and blogs on the first page of search results to give users a better browsing experience. We monitor your reputation, improve your reputation, and make sure people see these positive reviews when they search for you. We employ proactive and on-the-fly strategies to safeguard your reputation. It doesn't matter if you are a chiropractor, a plumber, or an electrician. When people are looking for your services, before spending any money, they will check your company's reputation online. If they don't find exemplary reviews, they won't buy. They will go with the company with the better reputation, your competitor. Don't delay and assure your positive reputation on the search results today.